Roswell Flight Test Crew here at CES 2018 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And we're talking to our good friend, Bo Lorentzen, also known as the FPV Guy. How you doing, Bo?
Very good. Thank you for having me.
Now we're here at the Walkera booth, so what's your impression?
Well, first of all, we all remember there were some really dodgy Walkeras. And we're sitting in the Walkera booth, I'm looking for somebody with a big stick about to whack me. But there were some pretty dodgy products, but back then they were not so bad, but by today's standards they certainly are. This one here I've had for over a year, and so I got an early model. It's amazing. It's an aircraft I'm confident flying 2,000 meters out, letting it hang, push the return to home, it comes right and plops itself back where it started.
And based on what I'm seeing now, you're right. They seem to really have turned a corner here.
Basically, they changed the flight controller, and the team that programs the flight controller is completely new people, and that has made a big difference. It doesn't all of a sudden drift, it just hangs there and do what you want it to do.
Or what are its key features? What's your impression of it?
18 times optical camera. They also have a 30 time optical zoom camera option. And mine came with batteries that was about half as long. So between pre-pro last year and now, they have a more than north of 20-minute flight time. These very long batteries, they have gotten longer. And here's the funny thing, my batteries will not fit in the old ones or in the new models, but the new ones will fit in my old ones. So hint, hint, guys, sent me some of the new batteries. So you get plus 20 minutes plus flight time out of them, and it's a very solid 20 minutes.
And how about this remote controller? What do you think of that?
I like it. More of the software functions that we used to go in on the phone, they are up on the top here. So changing some modes, you don't do as much in the phone. I like that because it took me away from the software screen. And then you have the circle flight. Again, you have the point of interest is switch things down here. You can control the camera with a little micro joystick right here. So that's kind of interesting. And when I say camera, I should mention it's 4K.
And it's got that optical zoom feature, which is not something we're seeing on many drones. And there's another drone maker here at the show that does zoom lenses on their cameras. I don't remember the name. And frankly, they want to charge a pile.
I think really that's one of the value propositions here. I call this Outback Police Department drone, because it's retailing around 3,000 with an 18 times optical zoom, and I'm guessing 4,000 with a 30 times. I don't know, but it's going to be more than the 15 or 18 times zoom.
So I think that's interesting, and I think Walkera is going to be an interesting brand to watch as we move into this new year, because they've shaken off what they used to do, and they seem to be on a much better track.
I mean, the fit and finish here is a whole. They have stepped into a new generation of Walkera. And as far as I'm concerned, that started with the Voyager 4. Up to the Voyager 4, that was... Now they're moving forward with an autonomy on a level that they did not have before.
Outstanding. Well, hey, Bo, thanks so much for taking the time to speak with us.
Pleasure, sir. Thank you very much.
All right. Yes, 2018, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew, signing off. And we're talking with our good friend Bo Lorentzen, the FBI, I almost called you the FBI guy.